I'm Oliver. This is my 1972 VW bus. It has about 500,000 miles. It's been redone from front to back. We redid everything. Every part is all brand new. As you can see, the interior is also custom. We did all the cabinetry ourselves. Also, the upholstery is brand new. Still using the VW seats from original. We did pretty much all of the work ourselves, including the mechanic and pretty much everything from the body work. We sprayed, painted it also from the bottom to the top. Did everything from the mechanic, electrics. Also, the stereo system is custom made. Door interiors also. Everything is custom made all the way. I did 3D mapping in the interior before we started making the cabinets, the actual cabinets. So we knew that everything would fit as we put it in. We still made a prototype first, but then we put the final cabinets inside just before last winter. It was the second year I was having it. So this was a great project. I've got pretty much everything from the inside cabinets. I've got the truck fridge stocked with everything from beer to water. Also got the fire extinguisher, very useful in a VW. Also pretty much everything from pans, pots, full cutlery, everything. Also under here I have the auxiliary battery systems, which powers the fridge, the lights, the stereo. Got also a charger set up, just so I can be autonomous as long as I can be. Also, I've got LED lights inside. I can turn them on if you want, and I can choose from about 256 colors from the remote, so that's a very nice feature for partying and
get some purple.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice. And you sleep?
I sleep there. We just lift this. It's called a rock and roll bed because you rock and then you roll. Then you open the legs, and it's about I think it's about 6 feet in length, in total length. So you can sleep easily two people inside very easily. Put legs back in. Pull up. There you go. Easy as that.
And this is manual?
Yeah.
Water?
Yes, we got water in here. There's the new water and then the gray water, so that I didn't have to put a hole back in the floor where I put so much time and hours to patch the original holes that came with. Also, the cabinet here is made especially for this size of camp stove. So when I designed it, it was made to. We wanted to be able to cook outside, because cooking inside is always, you know, it smells and it's not nice. It's not nice. So we did everything from A to Z with my father. That's a cabinet maker, and I work in architecture, so we had to draw everything, and everything had to be perfectly matching, and also very useful, because if it's not useful, then it's not even worth it. So I've got a lot of storage. I use every inch of space as storage, because it's very important when you go camping to have all your gear with you. Yeah.
And down. Okay. And then the whole thing was dropped 3.5 inches.
Yeah, it was dropped 3.5 inches. Still on the stock suspension. I've changed the shocks in the front. Also changed the lighting. We went for projector headlights which helps a lot when it's night. I also redid the engine from scratch, pretty much.
Just as clean in there as
Yeah,
everything else?
absolutely. You can come and take a look. Yeah.
In this picture, 34 picture to do this.
Oh, it was 34 pictures.
Yeah. In the application, the apps.
Spotless.
Yeah. I've worked pretty much on the engine all winter. This is the original engine, but we rebuilt it obviously, and I've put a custom fuel injection system in there just to be able to tune it and see the parameters in real time. So this is a very nice and responsive engine. Since the first iteration of it, it's just way better.
But it's still 4-speed because it's the original.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we fabricated pretty much everything in there. The intake denim, intake runners, everything we fabricated. This was a nice winter project, I guess.
I can feel your soul burning like the stars in the sky, in the sky.